Welcome to the Blue Collar AI Advantage, a strategy guide for skilled trades. While white-collar jobs face a panic around automation, your hands-on skills represent the biggest opportunity. Here's the reality check. AI captures data, not dexterity. Robots can't fix a toilet or troubleshoot a live wire. Your hands are safe. Focus on leveraging AI for paperwork, not replacing the work itself. Your competitors are slow, but with AI, you can be fast. The old way means quotes take 24 hours. The AI way delivers quotes in 5 minutes and instant replies, letting you win the bid before they even open their laptop. Meet your digital apprentice, the brain tool. Its role is the helper, not the boss. It handles the grunt work, like math, spelling, organization, and reminders. The pay rate is $0 per hour, 24/7, with no breaks. Know your tools and the division of labor. You, the master, handle the hands-on tasks and safety judgment calls. The AI apprentice handles writing professional emails, calculating costs, and organizing receipts. In this case study, an electrician worked 55 hours a week and quoted past midnight. By shifting to AI for templates and lists, they now send quotes before dinner, leading to 2 extra jobs per week with 0 extra hours. Prompt Pack 1 helps you draft estimates in seconds. You provide the job type, labor rate, hours, and materials, and the AI drafts a professional bid estimate email. Prompt Pack 2 focuses on materials and invoices. You can extract and group shopping lists from your notes. You can also create a professional invoice from your item list, including tax and a polite thank you note. Prompt Pack 3 assists with communication, handling hard conversations. It helps you write polite texts for running late or explaining a necessary change order to a customer. Prompt Pack 4 addresses logistics and safety. Use the route optimizer to minimize driving time between stops. You can also create a safety checklist for job sites, including mandatory PPE and precautions. Prompt Pack 5, your knowledge base, covers troubleshooting and bookkeeping. Get standard troubleshooting steps for equipment error codes. You can also categorize expenses for taxes into groups like materials, fuel, tools, and meals. If you're not a business owner, AI offers strategies for shift workers and drivers. Use it for budgeting by pasting expenses to find where overtime money is leaking, or plan a schedule for side hustles. The goal is to save money by organizing logistics. Is using AI cheating? This is a myth. It's leverage, just like a power drill. If you can text, you can do this. It only requires plain English. While AI makes mistakes, so do apprentices. Trust, but verify, and check the work. Ready to start? The Toolbelt checklist has 4 steps. Download a free AI, save the prompts from this video, organize them in a note on your phone, and test 1 prompt on your next job. Cost, $0. Time, 5 minutes. The future is blue collar. Office work is being automated, but your skills are scarce. You already have the hands. Now you have the tools. Go get paid.